as Alan just said, we can measure up to it. And we certainly are. We found a slab under our driveway here while I was excavating, so that's interesting. But let's talk about the bad well blues. We need electric in the house, and this well here has dirt water coming directly in. There I hit the line. We found the line that we need to tie into, but it was filled with water. The conduit was filled with water.
The electrical conduit was filled with water.
Not the well line, the electrical conduit.
The guy that put this well in had no idea what he was doing. It's all wrong. And now we need a whole new well.
Yeah, so the new well is going to go in the backyard back there. And this is our fix, quick fix, cheapest fix you can do is to hire an Allen for $0 per hour and tell him to hand dig it. So he's been digging for 4 months and we're almost there. Yeah, we rented that, so there's that. And we need a 9-foot by 13-foot hole for the cistern and we're almost there, 7 foot deep. It looks about 6.5.
Right.
Yeah, we're almost there.
A concrete cistern that weighs 13,500 pounds will be coming on a truck and craned in the hole.
Yeah, so if you never had a concrete cistern delivered, you need to prepare a nice 1-foot fluffy pad of sand at the bottom of your hole. And it's got to be a little bigger than the cistern, which is, the cistern measures like 7 by 9.
Roughly, a little smaller than that.
And we're going to drop that right in the hole. Then we're going to tie it back into that pipe, which goes into the house, and then the new electric to the pump for the cistern will go in there.
Actually, 7 by 9 is pretty accurate. It's more like 7 by 11.
So there you have it.
A little more.
So there it is. There's the story of the bad well, which is here, and very suspect because it had this little top on it that we had to cut off. It's installed improperly. It's made of PVC. It's above the ground.
It's full. The water's full of sediment.
We're not coming into contact with any of the actual well parts, and we're right next to the well, which is also highly suspect on the size of the well. And we're now down 7 feet, and there's no water, which is why our well's dry.
Yay! It's been a wonderful month of very little water. Camping inside.
So we just had the first wave of the winter storm come through, and we're trying to get this done. So thanks for watching, and we'll update you on the other parts of the process as they happen. You want to wave?